Hey Tyler, I think you needed help scheduling the session. I think I already answered your other questions by email, but I just want to make a quick video on how to schedule the session. So when you go to the Class Connect, window, create a new session, and then it's actually going to be an assembly, so that just makes it available on everybody's schedule. And then hit continue. And then I would simply put online blended. Subject, I mean, I always select my own subject. I think we all do. I've heard it doesn't really matter. So just as long as you are getting it scheduled kind of like normal, and then select starting, I don't know, is it the 18th? And I believe online blended, I'm not sure. You got to double check on the times. I'm just trying to show you how to do it. So I don't know if it's 9 to 12. Whatever it is, and then you can repeat it, weekly on Wednesdays and ending right at the end of the semester. So right there, I think, because that's final week on the 19th. And how you're going to select your students is actually just go through and search for all the students in high school and then just put them in as optional. Okay. Then if you want the teachers to come, I think we're supposed to, add every teacher anyway, but just go through and select all your teachers. Again, I'm not super sure which teachers are coming. I know Alonzi is coming, but just to put it on everybody's schedule, just select everybody. Okay, those would be optional as well. And then make sure, of course, to go down and add Sheila under the administrator. So I always make sure to do that. And I think that should answer all your questions. If not, feel free to reach out. I'm pretty available for the rest of the afternoon. So I'm happy to give you a Skype call if you have any questions. So let me know. And then, of course, continue on through and schedule it. I'm not going to do that because I don't want to own the session. And we can talk about pulling the attendance reports after your first class. If you want to just ask me, I can show you how to pull the attendance reports. Okay, have a good day, Tyler. Bye-bye.